What's up, Subi Nation? DJ here with Subi Bros, and today we're doing an overview and install of replacement Fender badges for the 2015 and up WRX and STI. We're going to be going from this chrome color to matte black. On SubiBros.com we have a variety of finishes and colors. We have gloss black, matte black, and various colors that fill in the letters for both the WRX and STI. So be sure to check those out. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on removing this badge first. So we're gonna grab a heat gun to start. For the first step, we're gonna crack open the door so that we can work on the back side of the badge here. And basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive that's on the back side of the badge. And then we're gonna just start pulling it off. So you can see here that the badge sort of is flexing. We're going to start from this side and work our way here. There's a few things you want to note to make sure you don't damage your car. One, this bottom panel here is plastic. This upper panel on the fender is metal. So we want to avoid gouging, obviously, the fender or the plastic panel here below. So what we're going to do is we're going to avoid using tools if possible. And when you're using a heat gun, you want to have constant movement. You never want to let the heat gun just sit in one spot or you can melt the paint. So we're going to use the low setting, and we're going to start off here by just simply heating the whole badge. So you can see that I'm doing, I'm keeping the heat gun moving. I'm about 4 to 6 inches away from the car. And we're just going to do this for about 30 seconds to a minute to get it really thoroughly warmed up. All right, now we're going to try pulling a little. All right, so we got the badge off there. You can see if you heat it properly, it comes off pretty easy. Then we're going to try to just curl the adhesive up here. All right, so now we're going to take our isopropyl alcohol and just give it a wipe down. The surface is now prepped to install our new badge. So what you want to note when installing the new badge is there is this pin in the front that lines up with this hole, and there's a pin in the back that lines up with this hole. If you don't get those lined up correctly, the badge is going to stick away from the car. So it's important to take your time before you fully press the badge down to make sure that those are aligned. So we're going to go ahead and remove the tape on our badge here. All right, we're now going to remove the rest of the protective film. And then again, we're going to line up the holes here. Then you just firmly press this down. And you're done. We're now going to begin removing the passenger side. So to start, we're going to crack the door. We have our heat gun. And we'll start pulling. Something you want to be careful of is when you're pulling this badge, you don't want to pull the entire piece here. You just want to get the edge of the badge. So just be aware of that. All right, then we'll wipe this down with the isopropyl alcohol. All right, so now we're going to install this side. We'll remove the protective film. So again, we're going to line up this hole here and this pin here. That concludes our video for the removal and installation of the WRX and STI Fender badges. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, go on ahead and head over to SubiBros.com. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you next time.